This is the final video to fix the Clownfish voice changer not working issue. Are you also facing this problem where Clownfish doesn't change your voice, doesn't detect your mic, or doesn't work in apps like Discord or Skype? This happens when the audio driver isn't installed correctly, the microphone isn't set as default, or Clownfish isn't attached to the right device. Other tutorials are confusing, but when I faced this issue, I fixed it with one simple trick. I'm sharing it here on Rexish. First, right-click the speaker icon and open Sound Settings. Go to Input and make sure your actual microphone is set as the default device. If it's muted or disabled, turn it on. Now open Clownfish. Right-click its tray icon and click Setup. Choose Install next to your microphone. If it already says Installed, click Uninstall and then Install again to refresh the driver. Next, restart your PC. Clownfish needs a reboot to load the new audio driver. If Clownfish still isn't working inside apps, open Discord or Skype and go to Voice Settings. Change the input device to Clownfish Virtual Microphone. If it's missing, reopen Clownfish and reinstall the microphone driver again. If the voice effects don't apply, right-click Clownfish, open Voice Changer, and make sure an effect is actually selected. Also check the microphone icon and confirm it isn't muted. Finally, update Clownfish. Old versions often break after Windows updates. Download the latest version and install it over your current one. This simple method fixed it for me. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment and I'll make it.